Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 18th, 2022. We're going to talk about Docusign today. It's been an extremely long time since I did a video in Docusign. You guys can tell that this particular market has fell off a cliff and it didn't work out right. The market in Docusign went against my original idea of looking for price to go up, but we shouldn't be surprised. We should have already seen ideas of when we should have jumped the ship right before the ship sank. Okay? I give you all ideas as to where you might need to come and readjust or reevaluate the situation to see what you need to do. You guys can tell that I got this trend line in Docusign drawn on the chart, right? And I've extended my ultimate area of support when I did a video in Docusign. Let me go ahead and zoom in and show you all when this video was produced. It was produced on December 23rd, 2021. I'm quite sure I did come in and produce another video in Docusign. But needless to say, the market in Docusign did not go up. That's what I expected it to go, and it happens. The market has given us opportunity on these charts to tell us that the weakness is still present in Docusign, right? Now, it didn't go right. And when it doesn't go right, we need to learn from it so that we become better forecasters within the markets. At what point would you have said, the market in Docusign is not strong anymore? At what point? For me, it would have been when we broke this trend line, right? That would have been the time for us to say, yeah, we need to cut it. If not that, definitely right here to when the market in Docusign continued to give us weakness on these 3-day price bars right there. Looking at this on the weekly chart, this is here where you should have said, yeah, we need to cut it. Look at this weekly price bar right here. Let me zoom in. The market closed on the low of the bar right here at an area that we needed to see strength, right? We saw strength into the market in Docusign right here on these two weekly price bars, right? The market got hit with selling here on this week of December 6, 2021, and we got strength the next week, December the 13th. This is what we needed to see continue to let us know that the price in Docusign was still a buy. But instead, we got the weakness around areas to where we're supposed to see strength. We did not see strength on this weekly price bar on January 3rd, 2022. We also didn't see it on the next week, January the 10th. We didn't see it. So the market was giving us clues. It was telling us, hey, you need to let this play go. So hopefully you all let the market around that particular price of 135, because if you didn't, I know so many of you have listened to these other YouTubers telling you all just to hold and dollar cost average in, you'll be down right now 70%. Like, this is something that I don't push. I want you all to understand, when you come into the market, you need to know your plan. What price are you going to leave? What price are you going to take profit? This dollar cost average strategy is not working for a lot of people who listen to these other YouTubers. You need to understand what your strategy is. This one didn't work out, and it happens. You guys can see also that every time we see the market in Docusign, right? Every time we see the market in Docusign get hit with some weakness in selling, we get these spikes of volume, right? I want you all to see this. Even with all of these spikes in volume, the market in Docusign still goes down. So what is going on really? For real, let's talk. What's really going on? Every time the market has a massive spike down, whenever the price spread of these price bars is wide, the volume increases. You know why? Because this is where the hedge funds are dumping their positions. They're selling. And if they're selling, we shouldn't be buying. Look at all of the volume that they're generating to the markets. This is something that retailers cannot hold. And the market's going to continue to fall until these hedge funds are actually out of their positions. Okay. That is why these spikes represent the weakness, and it looks as if we're not done. This horizontal line, since the market in Docusign is no longer trending higher, it broke that trend. We need to anticipate the price in Docusign coming down to the lows back here. Okay, right around here. So look at this on the 2 weeks. Okay, I don't see any strength coming to the market in Docusign. Not at all. Okay, I think you all can agree that the market in Docusign is not giving us any strength. We're in a downtrend. We need to see price in Docusign before we get any indications of bullishness to break this descending triangle out. It needs to break that to the upside. Until such time, this market in Docusign is weak. Okay, so now looking at this on the 5-day chart, I'm going to give y'all another idea as to what to expect. I'm looking for the price in Docusign to go lower. Okay, I'm still anticipating the market is weak. So even if we do see price run up, we got ideas to where you will want to sell it right here on this downtrend line. Everyone sees the same information. So the area of resistance would be, first area will be around like $50.75. That second one will be right here towards this descending line, which is around 54. Okay. So let me tell you what I'm expecting. I do expect us to get some volatility into the market in Docusign. I do expect that the market is going to try to lift high, which is why I gave it that one price point of $50.75 to like 52. We could see this happen and the market continue to go down. So if we do see price run up in Docusign, I mean, yeah, I get it, because we have already entered in oversold territory, meaning that the price has gone down for so long and it's been trending down for so long. We would expect the market to give us a spike. It's about time for us to try to get some spikes into the market in Docusign, because this market is completely dead. So we need to really face that. Now we could see that, and everyone on this video who sees it will say, well, the market is actually going up in Docusign. I get it, which is why I'm telling you all that now. But as long as the market in Docusign stays below $56, okay, we need to continue to expect a downward move. Now I got this support area. I think the market really is trying to hit the support area here. I think the market's going to try to test this area. So I'm looking for that to continue. Price target is around $36.26. Now anywhere in between, we can actually see the market in Docusign hit as well. So this is the ultimate area, 36.50. But there's another price target I'm going to give you all too, and it's around $43. No, let me do this price target, $43.50, or like 40. So let's do $43.50. Okay, $43.45, which is 5.89%. That's the first price target. My second one is going to be $42.50. That's 7.93. Then my third one is going to be down here towards 36, towards this area of support. Okay. So that is it. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market at Docusign. Still, a lot hasn't changed yet into the market at Docusign. I will be paying attention though, because if I do see strength coming to the market in Docusign, and the market breaks out of this downtrend line, then we'll need to come back in and reevaluate the situation. But as of right now, we don't see that. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.